Ingenuity at its finest.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Working on the Jeep again today. Woo! Floyd's over there welding, and I've got a part in. We got a 4-link kit in, so we went with Ironman 4x4 fabrication. They have a slick 4-link kit that's fully adjustable for the Cherokee. It's pretty sick. It's like fully adjustable, bolts in, you can weld it in. It's cool. I'll just show you. Basically though, it's fully adjustable up and down, so you can control your what's it called, your anti-dive. Yeah, it just basically it stiffens up the suspension and lets you put down pressure on when you're under load, which is pretty cool. So, but Ironman 4x4 Fabrication makes this kit. They also make a 4-link kit for the rear, which I'm probably getting. I'm definitely gonna get the rear. I had another setup, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it and get the rear set up for this, just because it kicks off here and makes the whole belly pretty much a skid plate and real smooth, because it only hangs off 2 inches from where your regular crossmember mounts, which is pretty freaking cool. But yeah, Jeep's on the lift. We're actually working on it today. Floyd's welding all that crap up because I sure as hell can't see it. Alright, we'll be back with more stuff later. Gotta keep working. I'll keep the footage coming slowly. I'm learning how to film and work at the same time. It's kind of hard to do, so. More updates later. So the problem we're having right now is the gap. Our jack does not want to function properly. Or our hammers, apparently, because they fall apart. What's that? We're going little style, huh? It's just everything from the farm is just rolled in here. Ingenuity at its finest.
Yeah.
Oh. Closed it a lot better than the other jack did. It's a trailer jack. Like for like a motor home. Things you gotta do to get things to work. Isn't that wild? Ingenuity at its finest?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. They closed it good enough?
I think so. It's just where it bends up around that frame so damn tight.
Yeah.
I think it'll be alright though. We can get this end up. I want to try to hit that.
That's why I like these stiffeners, man. They just, other ones don't do that. I've never seen any other ones wrap around the frame like that.
Yeah, most of them just lay down the side, don't they?
Yeah, they just lay down on the side. They go on the bottom back here and they just carry down. They wrap around. Only part is we gotta hammer that sucker up in there. But it's going.
super deep.
Okay. We're mounting this thing up right now and come across some areas that are bumping into each other. So the transfer case is bumping into this tab here, but they say that they built this to use if, I'm not exactly sure, but it's extra to have on there, but we're gonna cut that tab off. They advised us we can just cut one of the holes off, so you still have the other hole at the bottom down there to use. So we're gonna cut that off to clear the transfer case, and then also the kit comes with spacers. Oh, if I can find one. Yep. So these spacers go on this mount here on the bottom. So this longer countersunk bolt goes on the bottom down there and spaces this whole piece up to clear the transfer case. So, because we put it up there and it was hitting. And so, now it's gonna clear. That's what we're doing right now. And I will post a video as we get it up.